My mom and I are making raspberry jam today. We've got tons of raspberries that we've picked in the garden, and we're just getting our jars ready. I'm going to show you how I get these sticky labels off. And to seal them, we are going to use the old school way. We're going to seal them with wax. I have a whole bunch of paraffin wax from probably back in the day. These containers are really old. So yeah, we're just using up things that we have. And we're also going to do some pickled beets, raspberry jam. What was the other thing? I don't know. We'll see what else we get up to and we'll let you know. Got the jars sterilizing in here with hot boiling soapy water. We're going to clean them all. This is how I get rid of labels. Soak them in hot soapy water. Remove what you can. And then use one of these scrubbies, or you can use like the mint copper scrubby I have. Same thing. If you need, add a bit extra dish soap. And just scrub. Almost there. This one has like a big glue spot here. Perfectly clean. Here's another one. Super easy.
Oh, should I go get some more for the next batch? We might just go washing all that water there.
Yeah, do you think we'll have enough for two? I guess we maybe will.
Let's measure this one.
Yeah. So the recipe calls for prepared berries, which just means mushed berries. We gotta get 5 cups. They were frozen because it took us a few days to pick them. So we put them in the freezer as we were collecting. We're stirring the pectin in. We're just following the Certo recipe here. And it says bring to a boil on high heat. Yeah, we're making jam. What are you doing?
I got it all.
Oh, yeah.
But then I just have to like take it.
So we poured hot water in these and we'll dump them out before we're ready to fill them. I'm just waiting for this to come to a boil, a good boil. It's almost there. And then we'll add the sugar in and bring it back to a boil. And what are you gonna work on over there?
I'm gonna cut cucumbers.
Awesome.
Smashing this.
Okay, sugar's in. Now we're gonna bring it back to a boil. Once it's brought back to a boil, we return to a boil, cook for 1 minute. So I'll set my timer to make sure it's exactly 1 minute. So when you do the boil for 1 minute, you want to make sure it's a boil that you can't stir down. So see, I'm stirring, but it's still a boiling. Set your timer for exactly 1 minute. Right, Captain?
Yeah, and you can, if it's going to overflow, you can turn the element down a little bit as long as it just keeps rolling boil.
Also, check out our new stove.
I'm ready to
Yeah, don't get any raspberry juice on that stove. Okay?
So now this is where you skim it, and you skim all this foam off, and stir it.
All I got is rhubarb, a little bit of rhubarb.
You just stir it and look for any of this foamy stuff. And scoop it up.
Got quite a bit of seeds in it. So if you want to make them a little bit thicker, that would be okay. Because then they'll stick. They'll stay whole.
You're doing awesome here. Okay, batch 2. Here we go. Onto the onions. Are the goggles helping?
No. They're not bad.
We're on to batch 3. We didn't have quite enough raspberries, so we had some frozen rhubarb, and we're just following the same raspberry recipe on the box. Yeah, we're getting quite the collection though. Woohoo! Well, she took a breather at least. She got out. We melted the wax. Where can you buy this wax, Grammy? Home Hardware.
Yeah, usually the grocery store in the canning section. I don't think you just need it to cover it. You don't want to be too skimpy, but you don't want it too thick either.
Probably want it thick enough that it doesn't like break when you pull it off too, hey? Like,
yeah. You just want it to cover the whole top of the jam so that it seals against the jar.
okay. Biscuit size 20. My dad gave me a lesson on how to use a biscuit joiner, and I actually made that into a different YouTube video, so I'll leave the link below. It's a really short, quick tutorial on how to use a biscuit joiner. Just click the link in the description. Bless her heart, my mom did the pickles and some of my garden beets for me, so I don't have a video of that. And that's a wrap on our weekend at the cabin. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these vlog style videos.